Ingram Micro and Cisco set up their partners for success. And with Xvantage, your software subscriptions and renewals just got easier. Xvantage Renewals allows for valuable, real-time tracking of all your Cisco renewable opportunities placed with Ingram Micro. Now you can check your upcoming renewals and run pipeline reports with just a few clicks. This easy-to-use platform keeps you in touch with your software renewals opportunities and grows your Cisco software business. Step-by-step instructions to manage your Cisco software renewals on Xvantage. To find this feature, log into Xvantage, go to My Business, and select Renewals. Here you'll see every Cisco renewable opportunity you have, including the end user, expiration date, renewal value, and status. Xvantage also lets you narrow your search by vendor, end customer, or opportunity status, which is linked to where a renewal is in the quoting or ordering process. You can customize your renewal search by the Cisco subscription ID or date. You can also checkmark multiple options under the vendor to allow for all Cisco items into view. You can also use the advanced search box to search by status, renewal date range, or end user. To view details on an upcoming renewal opportunity, click the blue reference number to open the record. You can see all your upcoming renewals once you've applied your search criteria. If you have a lot, you can change how many appear on the screen by clicking the drop-down next to items per page. You can also export your renewals to an Excel spreadsheet by selecting Export Results, adding up to 10 email addresses separated by a comma, selecting Renewables, clicking Export. For more details about an order, click on it and you'll see a new screen displaying order information, end user information, renewable products on the original order, and any attributes Ingram Micro has pulled from confirmations or vendor portals. These could include license numbers, vendor order numbers, serial numbers, and more. If you'd like to make modifications, simply click the Contact Sales Desk button to be connected to your Ingram Micro support team. For additional software renewal tips on Xvantage, select the QR code below and download the Software Renewals PDF. Ingram Micro Xvantage. Every opportunity, every end user, every time.